Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Akhila Murthy, your guide to uncovering the powerful interconnections between astrology, palmistry, and psychology. Today we are diving into how these three sciences can help you make better career choices and navigate job dynamics. If you are someone who's confused about career options or struggling with workplace challenges, this video is for you. Stay tuned as I share actionable insights along with a real life success story. Astrology plays a significant role in understanding career potentials. By analyzing your natal chart, the following key elements are essential. The 10th house reveals your professional inclination and reputation. For example, if Mars or Mangala is strong here, you may excel in leadership or competitive roles like law enforcement or sports. The influence of Sun or Surya in the horoscope indicates leadership, government, or managerial roles. The influence of Buddha or Mercury highlights communication and analytical skills, great for writing, teaching, or business. The influence of Guru or Jupiter guides career in education, law, or counseling. The influence of Venus or Shukra draws you towards creative fields like art, design, or hospitality. Your ruling planet and moon sign can reveal your work ethic and preferences. For instance, a Capricorn or Makara Rashi individual ruled by Saturn or Shani is disciplined and thrives in structured environments. A Pisces or Meena Rashi ruled by Jupiter and Ketu is imaginative and flourishes in creative or humanitarian careers. Palmistry adds depth by revealing your natural talents and personality traits through your hands. Let's see what the shape of the hand reveals. If an individual possesses earth hands, that means he or she is practical and grounded, ideal for technical or operational roles. Fire hands, energetic and bold, perfect for leadership and entrepreneurial roles. Air hands, intellectual and communicative, suitable for teaching, law, or media. Water hands, creative and empathetic, aligned with psychology, arts, or counseling. A strong fate line indicates career stability and focus. Breaks or changes in the fate line may suggest career transitions. A well-developed amount of Jupiter or Guru indicates ambition and leadership, great for management roles. A well-developed amount of Mercury enhances communication skills, ideal for business or media. A well-developed amount of Moon or Chandra enhances creativity and imagination, excellent for arts. While astrology and palmistry reveal innate tendencies, psychology helps us understand behavior in professional settings. Introverts might excel in analytical roles while extroverts thrive in client-facing jobs. Emotional intelligence helps navigate workplace relationships and conflicts. Visual learners excel in design and architecture or research. Kinesthetic learners perform best in hands-on fields like engineering or medicine. Psychological profiling can identify challenges like procrastination or burnout, helping individuals align better with their work environment. Now let me share Aditya's story. Aditya, a 28-year-old marketing professional, was feeling stuck in his career. He couldn't figure out why his job felt unfulfilling. That's when he sought my guidance. His chart revealed a strong Venus or Shukra in the 10th house, indicating creative potential. However, his current role relied more on analytics than creativity. His hand shape was a water hand, showing creativity and empathy. A well-developed amount of Moon confirmed his imaginative thinking. His fate line had a break at age 26, suggesting a career shift. Aditya's behavior showed he was an empathetic extrovert, better suited for collaborative and creative roles. We guided Aditya to explore creative marketing roles. Within months, he transitioned to an advertising agency where he is now thriving as a campaign manager, blending creativity and communication. Astrology, palmistry, and psychology are powerful tools for understanding career potentials and workplace behavior. Together, they offer a holistic approach to navigating career choices and job dynamics. If you're curious about how these sciences can guide your professional life, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next episode.